By the end of the video, we'll know ABOUT, Fat Burning HIIT, high intensity workout for rapid results. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of high intensity interval training HIIT and how it can help you burn fat and achieve your rapid fitness goals. Picture this, HIIT in a style of training that alternates between periods of high intensity exercise and recovery periods. It's a time-efficient way to burn calories and increase your metabolism, which means you can reap the benefits in a shorter period. So, what does a typical HIIT workout look like? It could vary depending on your fitness level and personal preferences, but usually includes bursts of intense activity, followed by short recovery periods. This could be anything from sprinting to burpees or jump squats. The key is to push yourself to your limits, but still have enough energy for the next round. Remember, starting strong is crucial, but also, don't forget to listen to your body and take breaks if needed. We want you to stay safe and healthy during your fat burning journey. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who could use some extra motivation. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.